how to fix EAFC26 crashing on PC. In this video, I'll show you how to fix EAFC26 crashing on PC. So the first thing you can do is to go ahead and update your Windows and graphic drivers. Outdated drivers or OS components can trigger startup failures. So if you're using Windows, go ahead and open your Windows device and then go ahead and head over into settings. So on your settings, go ahead and head over into the Windows Update tab. And then from here, go ahead and click on this check for updates button and make sure to download all of the latest updates for your Windows device. Now, after you update your Windows device, go ahead and restart your PC. Another thing you can do is to clean boot and disable overlays. So background apps and overlays can interfere with EAFC26. So press WinR on your keyboard and then type msconfig and then in here go ahead and go to services. And then from this tab, check hide Microsoft services and then click disable all at the right side and then disable overlays from Discord, Steam, GeForce, and more. And the last option that you have is to go ahead and reset your anti-cheat. So EAFC26 uses Javelin anti-cheat, which may conflict with system security. So to be able to reset your anti-cheat, go ahead and head over into C colon slash program files slash EA Sports FC26 slash Javelin. Run Java lin installer.exe as administrator and then reboot your PC. And that is how you can basically fix EAFC26 crashing on PC.